1998. I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella. The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City. With the whole affair gone public, the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella. Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished. Six years have passed since that horrendous incident. I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
Why am I the one who always gets the short end of the stick?
You, who are you really? Come on and tell us. You are a long way from home, cowboy. You have my sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice. Anyway, you know what this is all about. My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
I'm sure you boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. Then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a direct order from the chief himself. I tell you, it's no picnic.
I'm counting on you guys. It was right before I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted. That's the ultimate reason I'm in this lonely and rural part of Europe. According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that looks very similar to the president's daughter. Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a rescue mission?
It's freezing. So cold all of a sudden. Must be my imagination. Sorry it took so long.
Just up ahead is the village.
I'll go and have a look around.
We'll stay and watch the car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Jeez. Who are these guys?
Did you say something?
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. Somehow I thought you'd be a little older. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Salve, salve, galera! Seja muito bem-vindo a este canal, começando mais um vídeo.
É mesmo, é?
Pra quem conhece sabe que é um jogo muito bom, foda pra caralho. Vamos bora lá, sem enrolação.
Excuse me. Sir? I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph.
Nunca nem vi. Que dia foi isso?
Carajo estás haciendo aquí? Lárgate, cabrón.
Sorry to have bothered you.
Freeze. I said freeze.
Esse tiozinho. Vamos lá. Ó.
Shit.
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize him. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
Ah, é?
Ah. Vamos lá. Realmente. Esse é o bom.
Opa, vem assim.
Perdão a dolinha, né, mano?
Pede licença! Pede licença, senhor de mundo! Pede licença, palhaço!
Pra quem conhece, sabe a utilidade desse cachorro depois, né?
Não sei.
Fala uma pra você ver. Fala uma. Ah, toma.
Toma. Aí você vê.
Opa!
Nossa, mano, quando você vê isso. Ah, é? Ficou chume. Ó, viu? Safadinho. Aí, ó.
Ah, é?
Opa, vem assim.
Não sei porque não dá pra acertar esses caras aqui, velho.
Pelo menos.
Tá pertinho. Oh. Cara, isso. Vagabundo. Cara de pau.
Que delícia, cara.
Por él.
É.
Por él.
Realmente esse aí já era, velho. Galinha, mano. Salve, galinha.
Não.
Ai. Olha. Sai pedaço. Seu cara.
Você manja da zoeira, hein?
Ó. Ah, espertinho.
¡Por allí! ¡No dejes que se escape!
Esse é espertinho,
Who are these people?
¡Bloqueale el paso!
What are they planning?
Ah, isso aí.
Chainsaw. Shit.
¡Te voy a matar!
Vai não.
Son of a...
Eba. É shot do Canal. Granada. Vamos dar escadinha.
Opa!
Opa, chumbo. Vai. Ai, ele aí, ó. Não. Cadê como que eu uso inventário, mano? Para aqui, isso. Deixa eu usar ele aqui não. Eu vou pra vala. Morre.
Detrás de ti, imbécil!
Sai, seu velho. Sai da rua. Vai da Mas cara não
Mais amizade com vocês, não. Sai daqui, seu demônio, morre! Cachorro, morra!
Olha
Só
esse desgramado.
morra!
Aí, mano. Vai não, velho.
Ah, merda, porra! Vai!
Morri!
Mano.
Ai!
Filho da mãe que me matou. Vai morrer esse merda. Falei? Errou. Ah, é? Você tem como? Ô, padeia. Vocês ainda querendo me matar mesmo.
Sai da
Olha isso. Toma. Merda aqui, velho. A areia tá crescendo.
Detrás de ti, imbécil!
Errou. Ai. Nossa,
Não consegue,
mano.
né?
Cara, que isso?
La campana.
Es hora de rezar. Tenemos que irnos.
Lord Sattler.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Não sei.
Esses caras, meu Deus, mano. Não brinca. Opa!
Opa!
Deixa eu botar o pezinho depois. Fica aí no chão então, mano. O parça, ó. Ah, é?
Não.
Ficando doido, mano? O que você falou? O que você falou, mano? Você tá doido? Ué, vai dormir?
Não.
Ó. Ó. Botou um ovo ali, cara.
Fala, não me diga!
Toma. Descarregado, cara. Errou. Cara.
Detrás de ti!
Tá doido, né? Ah, agora é que a pedra, mano. Nossa.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed.
Um lado do outro foi fácil. Quer brincar de explosivo então? Vai ter praça em mim? Quase. Opa! Já era, mano.
Detrás de ti, imbécil!
O arco-rete! Nossa, mano.
Que merda, hein?
A little rough, don't you think? You're not like them?
No. You?
Okay, I have only one very important question. You got a smoke?
Got gum.
Perfect. The big cheese.
What?
Feeble humans, let us give you our power. Soon, you will become unable to resist this intoxicating power.
Hey, wake up.
Ay, ay, ay. Crawl out of one hole and into another.
You want to tell me what's going on here?
Americano, see? Now what brings a bloke like you to this part of the world? Oh, hey, easy, whoever you are.
Name's Leon. Came here looking for this girl. Seen her?
What, are you supposed to be a cop or something? Nah, you don't look the type.
Maybe.
Okay, let me guess. She's the president's daughter?
That's too good for a guess. Want to start explaining?
Psychic powers. Nah, just kidding with you, amigo. I overheard one of the villagers talking something about the president's daughter in the church.
And who might you be?
Me llamo Luis Serra. I used to be a cop in Madrid. But now I'm just a good-for-nothing guy who happens to be quite a ladies' man.
Why'd you quit?
Phew, policia. You put your life on the line. Nobody really appreciates you enough for it. Being a hero isn't what it's cracked up to be anymore.
Used to be a cop myself. Only for a day, though.
I thought I was bad.
Somehow I managed to get myself involved with the incident in Raccoon City on my first day in the force.
That is the incident with the viral outbreak, right? I think I might have seen a sample of the virus in a lab at the department.
Do something, cop!
After you. Now.
Bom, galera, vou finalizar esse vídeo por aqui, mas eu vou dar continuação pra ele depois, continuando a história. Bom, só peço a vocês um favor, que se inscrevam no canal pra me ajudar aí. Falou? Até o próximo vídeo. Fui!
Nossa, que bosta!
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on a